Hi guys, I just went through go through my newest technique of chamfering the bolsters. I've been doing this for a while. I know I've posted something on YouTube where it explains another way, but as my processes evolve, I just change and adapt. So I want to update you guys as to how I'm doing the chamfers of the slip joints. So just come a little bit closer. So what I do is I position the both scales by putting pins in. I then take just this blue tape that I use. It's like a painter's tape, and I start there and I pull the tape around, pull there, around there. I check from this angle here to make sure that they are level, and then I have an imaginary line that runs from there right across to there. So it's where my edges of my scales are, from there across to there, across the front, and that's what I work to, as well as not going further back than the tape. So I use a normal file firstly. This is a cut 2 file, so it's a sort of a medium cut file. I'll file the positions in, and then I will take a 400 grit sandpaper with a smooth file, so there's no filing grooves on here. I put a very thin 2-way tape, which I then stick this on. I'll file it with the 400, then with the 800, and then I will polish it. So just watch as I'll do this. So I'll clamp it here in my soft jaws. So obviously these parts that are sticking out, the big parts of my pins, are face downwards. Otherwise my file's going to hit them. I just clamp them in the soft jaws like that. And I take my file, put my optivisors on, and here we go. So this is a maroon micarta, or burgundy micarta that I'm filing. So you can see I'm working back to that line over there, and I've got this imaginary line running across there. You guys can mark those, the line across the front. It's also helpful, but I've got to the point where I actually don't really need that anymore. But if you're starting this technique, then I would advise you to do it. So I'm just getting it. I'll keep checking in the front there to make sure that I'm level with my scales. And again, bring this back. Almost there. That's pretty much to the line, so I'm feeling good about that. I'm filing very lightly, and in the front I'm also happy. So just pull back a little bit. So what I'm going to do now is take my 400 grit, I'll stick it on like that. There you see it's there. Let's go again, just hit that again with a 400. Get out all those filing scratches. It's looking good. I'll pull this off, put my 800 on, sometimes what I do, just depending on if I still need to get any scratches out, or I just want to soften it a bit, I'll take this off the hard side and I'll turn it around and stick it on the soft side. So this is just a little piece of thin leather that I've stuck on the back, so that's my soft back file. I'll just hold that. So it just cuts very nice and soft. Sort of smooths everything out. Okay, we're just going to hit this on the buff. Alright, so I've just hit it on the buff, and then just have a look there. That's my chamfer. Nice and even in the front and along there. Now I'll do exactly the same on this side. Just pull pull back a little bit there. So I'm going to take these pins out, stick them in this side, take them out, stick them in, and then this side goes in. I'll do exactly the same on this side, and as soon as I'm finished with this, I'll do a short little video showing you the end product. Okay, so I've done exactly the same on this side now as I did on this side. So I just take my tape off just to make sure that we are okay. So there we go, the fronts are nice and even, level, and there my chamfers. I just want to take the pins out. I'll show you both together. So there you go, there are the chamfers. Thanks for watching, guys.